Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Bulblike Academy. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 little tricks that will improve your mathematics skills and help you in your exams. Before getting into the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press that bell icon for more notifications. So let's get started. Imagine yourself taking an exam and you got a problem where you have to solve the square of 95. What will you do? You'll do the hand calculation and get the answer, right? Wrong. What if I tell you that by just looking at that number, the answer is 9025? Amazing, isn't it? I'm going to teach you tricks like this in this video, so stay tuned until the last minute of it. So today's first trick is how to do square on numbers ending with 5. Just like I told you earlier, 95 square is 9025, right? How did I do it? Let me explain it to you. First take 5, that is a unit digit number, and square it. 5 square is 25, right? Now let's keep it aside. Now just take the next number, that is 9, and multiply it with the next number, that is 10. 9 tens are 90, right? So let's take 90 and 25 and keep it together. You get 9025. Amazing, isn't it? Now let's take another example. What is 75 square? The answer is simple. 5625. How did I do it? 5 squares are 25, keep it aside. 7 eights are 56. So 5625, right? Now let's see what is 25 square. 25 square is 625. 35 square, how much is it? 1225. 45 square, 2025. 55 square, how much is it? 55 squares are 3025. 65 square. 65 square is 4225. 75 square, as I told you earlier, 5625, and so on. So let's get into the next trick. The next trick is how to do squares for numbers below 100 that are near to 100. Let me give you an example. What is 93 square? The answer is really simple. 8649. How did I get it? Let me explain it to you. First take the difference between 100 and 93. The difference is 7, right? Now subtract 7 from 93. You get 86. So let's keep 86 aside for now. Now square the difference from 100 to 93. That is 7. 7 sevens are 49, right? Now club that 49 and 86 together, you get 8649. Did you get it? Let me give you another example. What is 96 square? The answer is really simple. 9216. Again, take the difference, that is 96 to 100 is 4, right? Subtract that 4 from 96, you get 92. Keep it aside. Then square that difference, that is 4 square is 16. So 92 and 16. Club it together, you get 9216. One more example. Yeah, 99 square. 99 square is 9801. Subtract 1 from 99, you get 98. And 1 square is 1. So 9801. You get 9801. I think you understood this concept. Now let's move on to the last and final trick. In this last trick, we are going to see how to calculate squares of numbers which are greater than 100. This trick is really similar to the previous one. So let's take an example. What is 103 square? The answer is really simple. 10,609. Let me explain it to you how I got it. First, take the difference from 103 to 100. The difference is 3, right? Now square that 3. You get 9. That is your unit digit. That is the last digit of your answer. Let's keep it aside. Now take 103 and add that difference to it. So it becomes 106. So keep that and 106 together, you get 10,609. To get you experienced, let's take another example. What is 106 square? The answer is really simple. First take 106, take the difference, add that number to 106. You get 112. Keep it aside. Now square that difference. 6 squares are 36. So 11236. 11,236. Really easy and amazing, isn't it? With this method, you can do the calculations very easily. I hope by learning these 3 tricks, you will improve your mathematics skills and perform very well in your exams. If you like this video and enjoyed it so far, please don't forget to like and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press that bell icon for more notifications. Until next time, bye.